Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
Alright.
Hi.
Say hi to. Okay, say hi. Say hi.
Alright, so welcome back to our
The
channel.
Parchment Fam.
So today we are back again with another big video with the young ones. So what we have in store today, we're gonna say random stuff in Jamaican and he's gonna tell us what it means in American.
In American, so it's the reverse.
Or in proper English then.
It's just
the reverse. So we did something similar back in our other we did some similar in videos we did in the past where we say something in American and he would repeat it in Jamaican.
No,
so
we would say something in proper English.
and he would say it in
say
Jamaican.
if he know what it means in Jamaican.
But now we're gonna flip the script and we're gonna ask him in Jamaican and he's gonna tell us what it means in American.
Or English.
Or proper
Just
English.
proper
Yeah,
English,
just proper English. So
Alright, so let's begin.
let's begin. So
What's
first,
the first word?
what's the first word?
That word is more like a phrase we're gonna say.
My turn.
We're gonna say something and you repeat it in American. So if we say, "Where are the boy?"
What are you doing, boy?
Alright, so we say,
My turn. It's my turn.
"Come on, Tyrone."
Get out the room. Get out the room.
If we say,
My turn. My turn.
Alright, you want this? What? Your turn?
if we say, "Behave yourself."
Be yourself.
It is a repeat, let me tell you. Alright, so if we say, "Chunky, go put on your cup."
Chunky, go put on the Chunky, go put on the cup.
Alright, if we say,
My turn. My
if we
turn.
say, where are the over there, so?
What are you doing over there?
Alright, if we say,
My turn. My turn.
if we say, "Mickey, yes, I turn off it."
Hurry up and turn it off.
He's
Alright,
right off my head.
if we say,
Oh God.
if we say,
My
we say,
turn.
alright, we say when we can say no, something, we say we can give something challenging.
Left me alone.
Leave it alone.
That's probably easy, man, something challenging.
I know, but so
Hurry up
try.
and come back.
Hurry up and get back.
Alright, we say, where you do round this up?
What are you doing over there?
What he said just like that.
Alright, we say,
He
eat tea for the whole and me sitting.
He take out all of my things.
said fast to them.
Yeah, that boy the outer hard, I know.
My turn.
That's
That boy is out of order.
Alright.
Oh gosh.
If we say,
Oh, you still get your
if we say,
turn.
if we say, uno tap your ramping.
You tap the you stop the romping. You stop playing.
What's wrong?
My turn. It's my turn.
You go and go sit down.
You go sit down.
Alright,
My turn. It's my turn.
Your turn, you know what you say? What you gonna say?
if we say tapping eyes.
Tap a night.
Yeah, same thing, you don't understand. Alright, one thing we say. Uno turn off the pipe and come out of the bathroom.
Turn off the pipe and go come out to the bathroom.
Sure, she got part of
Say
it.
get part of it. No, you would say.
You get out the bathroom and turn off the pipe.
Construction sentence. Remember you used to flip it? That's you know.
I want you to something them on the floor.
Who throw the things on the floor?
Alright.
My turn.
You pack up the whole I tie them. No.
You all of you pick up all the things on the floor. My
Oh gosh.
turn.
You see why she
Better
can say
than
no.
some big people.
And who put down this here so?
Who put this down right there?
Alright.
Oh
Come out of the place with the ramping.
You come out. Wait, all of you come out the place with the plane.
You move man, you too greedy.
You move. Boy, you two. You. My turn. It's my turn. You.
greedy's a word. It's the right word.
You.
You're greedy.
My turn.
Yeah, greedy's the right word. It's not.
my
When you
turn.
chat too much.
You chat too much. My turn. That's my turn.
Don't look over there.
Do not look over there. Don't look over there.
Alright, you do
My
your
turn,
homework
my-
yet?
Did you do your homework yet?
No, seriously, you do your homework?
Are you? Is this
Alright.
my turn? My turn.
Hurry up, you're late.
Hurry, you're late to school.
What? Old school, which one this?
Alright. Mr. Nicholas, I'm going to put on your clothes.
Hurry up and put on your clothes.
Alright, let me say.
My turn.
Alright,
My
what's a
turn.
hard
Something hard.
one? Something extremely hard.
Oh no!
Come down over there.
Get down over there.
It's not that hard.
Alright.
My turn. My turn. My turn.
I who all of them be dash way.
All of them I throw away.
When you start ramping that dirty water.
You stop playing the dirty one.
What's wrong?
My turn. My turn.
Alright. On the mind on the lip on your baby.
You mind that you wait? You mind that you lick the baby down? My turn. My turn. My
What?
turn. What?
What?
Uh-huh.
Is
Let me
it
see what else you can give me now. Something
My
challenging
turn, my
brain
turn.
man.
My
hard?
turn.
What else you can give me? We
My
can
turn.
say.
Can't wait to go back to Jamaica.
I cannot wait to go back to Jamaica. My turn. My
I'll
turn.
be staying fast, you know.
My turn.
Understand.
A whole heap of them sitting there they go on, you know.
A lot of those things. What? Wait, what? Wait,
That
can
was
you
the
say
challenge,
that?
you know.
Wait, can
A
you
whole
say
heap of
that?
that something they did go on.
A lot of this thing. All the things you did go.
Alright, so we get one, we get to challenge, you know.
Whoa, what go on
My
mean?
turn. My turn. Go.
On.
Go.
Alright. That one they holy, we give a challenging one to some people. So where you come from?
My turn. Where did you come from?
Alright. Alright, so next one.
Me go wash my hand.
I'm gonna wash my hand.
Go for one diaper for me.
Okay.
No, not, could not go for one diaper like say it.
Oh, I'm gonna get. Wait, what? Wait, what
Go
was
for one
it?
diaper for me.
Go for a diaper for me.
Alright,
Yeah.
Go wash out your plate them.
Go wash your plate.
Alright.
My turn. My turn. It's
Me
my
see me
turn.
go to the road and come back.
I'm going. Wait, what was
Me
it?
say me go to the road and come back.
I want to have your baffle chunky.
I'm gonna go to road and come back.
Out the road?
My turn. My turn. My
You
turn.
can't use the outer
You
road.
can't say out the
My
road.
turn. My turn. My
Alright,
turn.
you-
At the road.
Okay, you know.
I'm gonna go at the road. Wait, no, that makes sense.
You say it. Okay.
Daddy go tell her to come back.
Alright.
Alright.
Time for you learn to ride.
Huh?
A time for you learn to ride.
White or wide?
Ride. Time for you learn to ride.
Ride bicycle.
My turn. My turn. It's time for you to go to learn how to ride. My turn. My turn. It's my turn.
Take time to
My turn. My turn.
Go put on your game.
Go put down the game. My turn.
When you tap you only pan eyes out there.
Wait. All of you. My turn.
No tapping
My
nice.
turn.
When tap you only pan eyes out there.
All of you stop the noise out there. My turn. My turn. My turn.
Where I come from?
Well, my turn.
Take time, Tatiana.
Well, you come.
You soon get your turn.
Where did you come from? Wait, we already
What?
did that.
Go put your tablet on charge.
Go put your tablet on charge. My turn.
Okay.
My next one now. When we say a lot.
turn. It's my turn.
Go and go bed.
Huh?
Go and go bed.
Okay.
What?
When you say go and go bed,
You need to say it. Say it in English.
Wait, what?
You say go and go bed.
Go to bed. My turn.
My next thing.
My turn.
Mine lick down your baby, me say.
Mine. Wait. My turn. It's my turn. Mine, you hit the bait. Wait, what?
What? Wait, what exactly?
Alright, so now
My lick down your baby.
My turn. It's my turn.
My lick down your baby. People got him stuttered on that
Yeah,
one.
you get kids one on one.
We got him stuttered on that one.
It's
You don't know what to say?
I got two.
You don't know what to say? You don't know what to say? My lick down your baby.
That's my turn. I know to do the. I don't know how to do the mine, but I know to do the rest. The mine is confusing.
Mine is confusing, but if you say my lick down your baby, you know though.
How? What?
What? Okay. So
Mine is my turn.
Alright, so
translate that
you
one
can't
to people.
translate that one
My
there.
turn,
Yeah,
my
that
turn.
one there, have him away.
But how do you say it in American? It's my turn.
oh, do you say what?
How do you say it in American? My turn.
Or in English?
It's my
Be
turn.
careful not
I'm
to hit
dumb.
the baby.
I'm dumb.
You're dumb?
Alright,
Don't say
listen.
that.
It's my turn.
What you do at school today?
What did you do at school today?
Alright.
My turn is my turn. It's my turn.
What you have to say?
What? My dropped the baby.
All you do is
Alright.
repeat. Yeah, parrot.
Alright, who want to go back to Jamaica?
Who want to go back to Jamaica? My turn.
Okay, say it.
Who want go back Jamaica? Yeah, she like who go back to Jamaica?
Alright.
turn.
What you did do at Jamaica?
What did you do at Jamaica?
Alright.
My turn.
Alright, go ahead.
Why do I make Jamaica?
Okay.
Say, we are going to do the video here, so.
Wait, for real?
Say, we are going to do the video here, so.
We're gonna finish the video here.
Alright.
My turn.
So-
No, I don't want to finish. No.
Video
You
finish.
finished video.
Can we
Finish
just
now.
One part two, one next
Can we
time.
Yeah.
do 3 more?
One
One
do part
next
two
time,
next time.
we will.
So-
When we think about more words, we do a part.
So
So
we
we
have to
have
say-
to what's end the video.
Tell it which video me watch what you have to say for any video.
Like,
Look
subscribe.
on.
Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment what we should say next time.
Alright. So thank you for watching. Bye.
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 Bye.